Welcome back. More developments that are taking place in the Vaze investigation. The NI has now seized a luxury sports bike from Daman. This has happened today itself. This luxury bike is allegedly registered in the name of the same mystery woman who is being questioned by the NI. Priyanka, my colleague, is joining us live from Mumbai. Priyanka, you have the questioning of the mystery woman going on, the money trail that the NI is essentially trying to establish, and more luxury vehicles that are being seized in and out.
Well, yes, now this sports bike as well, another addition to the series of luxury cars that had been seized by the NIA under the investigation on Sachin Vaze in the Vasuli gate. And now, of course, they're also carrying out another investigation of the money trail, which is also leading them towards all of these luxury vehicles being seized. And as you had said, the mystery woman, of course, is very integral to this entire investigation because she was the one who allegedly held a joint bank account along with Sachin Vaze. She was the one who had an account, she kept a detailed account of all the transactions that Sachin Vaze had carried out. And now another luxury vehicle, another sports bike that has now been seized by the NIA that they're claiming is going to be integral into the investigation of the Vaze gate, the entire Hafta Vasuli gate as well, the diaries that had been coming to the forefront. And now, of course, the mystery woman's house was raided as well, where several documents, several bank statements had also been seized, which showed that there is some level of involvement that this woman had with Vaze, and she was privy to all of the information about the money transactions and the money trail. And apart from that, we're also being given to understand, and as the NIA had also mentioned in the court yesterday, that there was a locker that was maintained by the both of them, and there was at least 26 lakh that was present inside of that locker, which was taken away, which had been taken outside of that locker just a few days before this entire this entire scandal broke down. And that's exactly what the NIA is also investigating. They're following the money right now. They're trying to understand where the money was coming from, who was he giving it to, who were the other counterparts of Sachin Vaze as well. Because remember, this woman has been taken in, has not officially been taken into custody, but she had been located just a few days back and she had been interrogated. She had been asked about this entire network of Sachin Vaze, after which she had been also called to NIA from time and time again to the NIA office and asked to verify and confronted with several of the documents that had been seized from inside of her residence as well. So all of those things being taken into consideration, and another luxury vehicle that now has been seized by the NIA goes to tell us that there are a series of luxury vehicles and a series of money trail that the NIA is now putting together to understand this network further.
And that's the big question, Priyanka. How are so many luxury cars, so much money linked to an API ranked officer who, of course, is believed to be playing a key role as far as both these cases are concerned, the Antalya bomb scare case and also Mansukh Hiren death probe that is currently underway. We leave it at that with Priyanka. Thank you so much.